Tell me what you would say to the governor.
What I would say to the governor is I want the governor to tell me why he feels that his personal will is more important than the jurors, the judges, the voters of California, and what more my son could have done for him and the citizens in the state of California. He served his country as a Marine Corps officer. He was killed in the line of duty as a police officer. He was an organ donor saving lives more, saving 5 more lives even in death. What more could my kid have done to have not been robbed of justice? What about her innocent little boy? What could this little 8-year-old innocent child possibly not be considered by the governor when making a decision like this? This is horrible. He blindsided us. We weren't invited to the table on this. He does not have a heart for victims. He is heartless toward victims. And he says he won't be able to sleep at night if there's an execution. Guess what? Every night since our children were killed, we haven't slept at night. And we're still not going to be sleeping at night. So Governor Newsom, you failed us. You were an epic fail.
Absolutely, and I agree with you 100%. I feel like he didn't take no consideration for victims' rights and for just the fact that we are voters of the state of California. The majority of us have voted, and we voted the death penalty. And I think that you should have taken in consideration that before you decided with a wave of a pen to let these individuals.
You know, Sandy and I met in 2012 on the No on 34 campaign. We worked very hard to defeat that. We also worked equally as hard on the Yes on 66 to reform the death penalty and enforce it without decades of delay for families. Now it feels like the victory that we had, that victory is being snatched from our jaws by a governor who cares about himself. And I will tell you, governors show up at police funerals and they show up at the annual memorial ceremony. When I see him at the next police funeral or I see him at the memorial in May, what I will be thinking is, you hypocrite. You do not care about us. You are here for a photo op, and that's it.
And I feel like they're rewarding these individuals, these murderers, and rewarding them for the actions that they did. What constitutes the right for him to, make that choice? I don't understand it at all.